Thank you for meeting us today. So I'd like to start asking a question about the cancer medicines and their studies scheduled to be released in the next few months. The result of a couple of important studies for your cancer medicines for Enhertu and also Dato-DXd are expected to be released in a few months. How confident are you about the results?
We are very much confident in the upcoming data release because our DXd ADC is very much excellent platform technology, and the excellence was proved by the clinical data of Enhertu so far. So therefore, with using this excellent platform technology, we have Enhertu, Dato-DXd, and other ADC programs, compounds. So therefore, our confidence in the future clinical data are now much enhanced.
The stock has more than has risen more than 5 times since 2017. How do you envision your company's growth after a current midterm plan, and where do you want the stock price to be?
Yeah, thank you. I think the current stock price was composed by our value of the pipeline product and also the Enhertu. And if the share price can be evaluated in that same way, we are very much confident in further increasing our share price because of our 5 DXd ADC programs. Beyond 25, we will be launching the other ADC programs. So therefore, our growth, if we say, let's say, Daiichi Sankyo oncology rocket has been launched smoothly and rapidly going up during the current midterm business plan. However, we can say it's just the very first rocket engine was ignited. But in the 6th midterm business plan, the second or third rocket engine will be fired. Then the tremendous growth we can expect after 25 also.
So there's a hype in the industry that AI is revolutionizing the industry. How does AI fit into your organization?
Yes, already in our research laboratories and also manufacturing site, we are exploiting the AI technology for our discovery research or manufacturing. So it's very much effective, and we are enhancing that activities. So on top of that, currently people are talking about ChatGPT or any other new technologies. I think in our company or in our industry, there are a lot of opportunities to make use of such AI technologies, and we can save our labor or FTEs, and then we can shift those people to the much more productive work. I have big expectation on that point.